What's up guys, NJ Pyro here, and I'm going to do an unboxing of TNT Fire Freedom Rings 2022 edition. And this went for 30 bucks at ShopRite, local ShopRite in my area. Alright, let's get this open. Okay, and we'll start with the usuals. Get 3 packs of flashing fountains. This little guy here called Sauce. Summer Vacation. Astro Rain. Astro Lightning. And Astro Thunder, Lava Dome, Rain Dance, Bite Me, I guess that's like a chocolate chip cookie, Lemon Fever, oh okay, it's upside down, Rowdy, Glittering Fountain, Green Globe, and last is Game Mode. So once again, this was Freedom Rings, 30 bucks at my local ShopRite, and thanks for watching.